All right, so a question that I keep getting asked about Apogee ONE is, can you sample into it? You know, like, can you hook a record player into it? Because all you get is the breakout cable. And the answer is yes, you can, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take your breakout cable and you want to connect it to the Apogee ONE. Alright, and this instrument cable, that's where the record player is going to be plugged into. And I'm using the Numark PT01. So you're going to need the 1/8 inch inputs to plug into the record player. And the connectors I have is, you know, the other ends are also 1/8 inputs. So yours can be different. So the adapter I had to buy was it's a cable that has two female 1/8 inch inputs that goes to a stereo male input, and this is the end that's going to go into the instrument input on the breakout cable. So you got the record player output going into the adapter. And then this goes into the breakout cable. Okay, as you can see, I have machine open up. Now you don't have to be a machine user to do this. This translates to other programs too, and I'm gonna show you an example of that in a minute. But we have the record player hooked up to the Apogee ONE, and I actually have it playing right now. The vinyl is playing, but we can't hear anything. So let's go to the sample window. And make sure you have it on external. Now, if you are a machine user, I assume that you already know how to use the program. This is just showing you, you know, how to hook up the record player to the Apogee ONE and sample from it. So I'm not really going into detail with that, with using the machine. So make sure you have it on external. For the input, mine is on input 1 right, so that's the one I choose. And as you can see, it's some audio playing, but you can't hear it. So what you got to do is click on this little speaker icon next to it. See, now the sound is coming out. So now you're free to go ahead and sample it. Now don't be alarmed that it's only coming out of one speaker. You can go ahead and find whatever it is you want to sample and do it. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and just sample starting now. Okay. Now as you can see, it recorded it in mono. So let me stop it for a minute. Now I'm gonna play back the sample that I just recorded. Now that came out of both speakers, so that's why I said don't be alarmed that it's only coming out of one. So there you go. Now let's show you in another program. I'm gonna pull up Pro Tools. So what you do is make a new audio track, mono. And then under the input and outputs, go to input and interface, and then I have mine on built-in microphone 2. That's where it's coming from, because that's the Apogee. It's actually going in through the input, so that's called microphone 1 port, I guess. So I click on there. Actually, let me go to the mixer window. Turn it down because it's gonna be loud. So we have it on. We found our input on here. Then you just arm it. See? And it's coming out of both speakers too. So there you go. That's basically it. That's how you hook up a record player to the Apogee ONE so you can sample.